This truck represents the latest and greatest in truck technology. Roll stability, forward-looking radar, collision avoidance. We brought the truck here today to destroy it. Today, we're gonna kill this truck. Then we're gonna deliver it to a Ryder shop, and we're gonna challenge our technicians to fix it. The gauntlet of destruction is gonna test this truck from stem to stern. There's gonna be a debris field that's gonna damage the radiator and the cooling system, which is gonna cause the truck to overheat and immediately start stress to the engine. Soon after that, we're gonna knock the front tires off it because it's gonna hit a spike strip. The spike strip's gonna tangle itself within the drivetrain. Well, we're not gonna have the good sense to stop driving it on the rims, and we'll probably create a thermal event which will cause heat and fire damage and more stress to the engine. And finally, enough stress that we'll lock the entire drivetrain, which then will test the transmission, the differential, drive shaft, engine, and cooling system. Well, we're gonna put the fire out and stop everything with about a 2-ton wrecking ball. We've destroyed pretty much anything that makes this truck operable. We're gonna drop it off at a Ryder facility and challenge our technicians to bring it back to life. By the way, we're only gonna give them 24 hours to do it. I'm gonna show you something you won't believe. If we can fix this truck, we can fix anything. I hate to say this, but you've only got a little bit of time left. Okay, so let's stop the clock. You ready? Ready. Let's see if it starts. Our technicians brought this truck back to life in less than 16 hours, and now they're available to you.
We didn't just fix this truck, we brought it back to life.